So the color I got was olive, but they didn't show what olive looked like, so I'm kind of not expecting it to be olive. It says, please open carefully. Returns will only be accepted in original package. Okay, yeah, this is not olive. This is like construction site orange, which is really not what I wanted, and I'm just looking at it now. Damn! What do I need construction cone orange for? That's just weird. Alright, I'll figure that out later. Okay, the balance on that was crazy. Woo! Yeah. Well, it doesn't look very wide, but other people seem to not have a problem with it. They reviewed it. This thing is crazy colored. I mean, it kind of looks Korean for some reason. It's hilarious. This color is hilarious. FYI, if you order the olive, nothing on this is olive for the record. I see like a ridge here, like this.
Said stripe.
I don't know if that's like underneath or if that's this thing, the belt that's already, I'm anticipating, gonna give me problems. I really hope not. Okay. Woo! I'm on. Okay. This ridge thing is really weird. But I'm one to always be skeptical before I need to be, so. Hopefully that's what it is. Okay, user manual. Emergency stop device, electrical display, handle, safety keys, spring lock. First few pages are just warnings. Packing list, specs. Alright, assembly. All screws to their right place first, only lock them tight after frame installation is completed. Lubrication oil. Alright. I don't know, I'm just gonna start putting these in. Number one, over here. Oh, it says don't tighten it all the way. Whatever, I always do that. Flat and curved. Huh. These instructions suck. But you can already tell the job is not hard, so it doesn't really matter. But you know, normally there's like a picture to show, like a legend, exactly what's included and what number, and then when they tell you to use, they say use part 1 and 2, you know. This doesn't have any pictures, so how are you supposed to know? Ah, 1 curved, 1 flat. I'm just figuring it out. They knew. They should just write ... You'll figure it out. I guess bad instructions are better than no instructions. It gives you some sort of a reference point to navigate. So, what's happening is 2 of these, one gets a flat gasket, one gets a curved gasket. It just makes so much sense. All right. So this one I did wrong. Flat on the side. So this is very small. It's very compact. I definitely can see the Aurora. All right, 2 left. This is literally my first unboxing video, so I'm just now understanding how slow I am at screwing things. Ah! Okay, finally it caught. I think. Ugh. There's always one moment that makes me break out into sweat. Gotta be at least one. Alright, this is just not. Not working. Maybe this, which will give me better leverage. Better leverage, but it's still not going really. I guess this is one of those times where you go, I'm gonna force it. I'm gonna force it. What? Doesn't feel good. Maybe I unscrew the other side, since that one seemed easy. Align this side first, right? You're probably being like, dude, it took you long enough to figure that out. Hopefully it does the trick though. Ooh, but this side, it is working better. Yeah, ish. Okay, I kind of feel like that's good enough for him. Okay, well, got all the screws in. Tighten them. Metal on metal, brute force. Gotta love it. Put the emergency stop device on control panel. Magnet facing the control panel. Then lock with plumb knob. There's two. Okay. I guess we're at this part. Alright, so here we go. Wow, it was on the whole time when I was cleaning up and fixing the camera. And it was so quiet, I didn't even hear it. So now that I'm on it, it doesn't actually, feel too narrow. Alright, this is at 3. This is 4. Feels a little weird, but I also don't run. And I'm about to because of this. How's my foot? Okay, I don't know how fast this goes actually. Let's see. Alright, it goes up to 6. This is 6. I don't think I should get on it at 6. Alright, back on at 4. Now 5. Okay, this feels pretty good. Okay, 6, full speed. Dude. Okay. That was cool. How am I supposed to transport this? Where's the portability aspect to it? Let's figure that out, huh? Alright, turn this off. Undo. Wow, this thing tilts heavily to the left side. There's like an inch of space here and like no space here. So that sucks. It's on a hinge, clearly crooked. which makes me wonder if that'll give me future problems. Skeptic. But I don't know, it might be fine. You know? Might be fine. Might be. Okay, so like, now what? Isn't this thing gonna like fall on me? Yeah. I guess like this? Okay. I can live with that. Oh. Okay. I can live with that.